Usair bin Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, whenever any reinforcement would come from Yemen, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu would ask them, is there Uwais bin Amir among you? At last, one day Hazrat Uwais came to him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked, are you Uwais bin Amir? He replied, yes. He asked, do you belong to the Murad tribe? He replied in the positive. He again asked, are you from Qaran? He replied, yes. He again asked, were you suffering from leukoderma and white patch has vanished, leaving a space equal to the size of a dinar? He replied, yes. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, along with the reinforcements from Yemen, a man belonging to the Murad tribe will come to you from Qaran, whose name will be Uwais bin Amir. He will have suffered from leukoderma and the white patch got cured, leaving a space equal to the size of a dinar. At Qaran there is his mother whom he treats well. If he swears by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu about anything, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will surely fulfill it. Ask him to seek forgiveness for you if you can. So now you may please seek forgiveness for me. Hazrat Uwais Qarani radiyallahu anhu sought forgiveness for Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu then asked, where are you going now? He replied, to Kufa. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, shouldn't I write a letter to the governor of Kuba about you? Hazrat Uwais replied, I like it more to live with humble people. Next year, a man belonging to the elite of Kufa came and he had a meeting with Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked him about Hazrat Uwais radiyallahu anhu. He replied, I have left him in a dilapidated house with a paucity of luggage. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, along with reinforcements from Yemen, Uwais bin Amir belonging to the Murad tribe will come to you from Qaran. He will have contracted leukoderma and he will have recovered, leaving the disease equal to the size of a dinar. If he swears by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu about anything, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu definitely fulfill it. Ask him to seek forgiveness for you if you can. That man then went to Hazrat Uwais radiyallahu anhu and requested him, seek forgiveness for me. He replied, you have just come after a sacred journey, so you may seek forgiveness for me. He again requested, you may seek forgiveness for me. He replied, you have just come after a sacred journey, so you may seek forgiveness for me. He then asked, did you meet Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu? He replied, yes. Hazrat Uwais radiyallahu anhu then sought forgiveness for him. The people whereupon became aware of his status, so he went away from there. Usair said, I gave Hazrat Uwais radiyallahu anhu a chador to wrap. Whenever anyone would see Hazrat Uwais, he would say, from where has this chador come to Hazrat Uwais radiyallahu anhu? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6439.